to install the theme, first you need to download the installable WordPress file from the Downloads page on themeforest. Then, log in to your WordPress admin dashboard, navigate to Appearance, Themes, and click the Add New button at the top. After that, click the Upload Theme button and select the theme file you downloaded from themeforest. WordPress will now take a few moments to upload and install the theme. Once complete, you'll receive a success message with an activation link. Next, to activate your theme license, click on Activate Theme. You'll be redirected to the Pixfort Hub site, our support and license management platform. If you already have a Pixfort account, simply log in. If you don't have a Pixfort account yet, you can create a new free account. Upon logging in, connect your Envato account to add your licenses to your Pixfort account. Back on the Pixfort Hub site, click Complete Verification to activate your theme license. Voila, your theme license is now successfully activated. Next, proceed to plugin installation. Select the required plugins and click Install Plugins. This will automatically install and activate them. Once finished, you're ready to go. You can import demo content, explore theme features, check the documentation and tutorials, or simply proceed to the theme dashboard. The dashboard offers tools for plugin installation, checking server status, and provides links to useful articles and tutorials to get you started. Want to discover more about using Pixfort products? Subscribe to our YouTube channel or click on another video to continue watching. Need further assistance? Don't hesitate to reach out to our support and we'll be happy to help.